Sometimes it seems like you spend more time setting up your tools for a project than actually completing the project itself. And that's especially true in working with a power miter saw. Homeowners will often set up the saw on the floor or on the ground, but then you have to work on your hands and knees, and that's very uncomfortable. In this case, this is a much better idea. I made an improvised work table out of extension ladder and a pair of sawhorses. And then I cut a piece of 1/2-inch plywood to fit underneath the saw, just to support the saw itself. Now, the nice thing about this rig is that it's 36 inches high, so it's nice and comfortable. And then to support the work itself, I simply made these. It's just a 1x pine board with a 2x4 on top. And this height is the exact same height as the saw table itself, so that when I slide the molding over, it holds up one end, so I don't have to hold it up at the saw itself. Now, in this case, I used a heavy-duty extension ladder, and you can see it provides plenty of support. But if you're using a lighter-duty ladder, you may find that it flexes and bounces a little bit. So in that case, I'd recommend putting either a third sawhorse underneath or just clamp a vertical 2x4, and then I'll make it nice and rigid.